Hey everybody, welcome back to Rusty Acres. We're in the truck today getting ready to go on a little road trip. We're going to go down to Hedgesville, West Virginia, looking for a power unit for the sawmill. There's a guy down there has a couple International Harvester power units, a UD18 and a UD14 plus a 20-inch planer. We're going to go down there, take a look at those, see if we can't make a deal on them. And after that, we're going to head north back into Pennsylvania and go to the Carlisle car show, stop and see Frickin' Jeep. The power units, I don't know a whole lot about them, but they used the UD18 on a sawmill. The UD14, I don't think he ever had it running. He said it's overhauled and never been started since it was overhauled. So we'll go down, take a look at it. Plus, there's parts engines. There's an extra UD18 and an extra UD14 parts engine. So we're going to go down, take a look at it, and see if we can't bring something home. Follow along. Thanks. right, guys, here's one load. UD14 and a 24-inch planer. Right, here's another UD18 power unit. It's covered up parts engine, but it'll be good to have for extra parts. So we'll take that with us. And here is another, that's a UD18. It's on a wagon with a set of axles. Looks like Dayton Open Centers. Probably put it on the trailer and bring it home. I'm gonna have to come back and get that another day. This is a 300-mile round trip. But we got that UD14 on the trailer. That thing was overhauled and never ran. No clutch on it, which we can pick that up. But, I mean, I checked the oil in it. The oil looks like brand new. So I think that'll be a good running engine. But I think this is what I wanted. When I bought the mill, I had planned on getting a UD18 to run it. So glad I found this. I got a good deal on it. A little bit of a drive to come get it, but it's what it is. All right, next stop, Carlisle.
On the good side of it.
Well, guys, we're at the next stop at the Carlisle Car Show. Stopped by to see frickin' Jeep. Spot M28, M29. And we don't see him. Hopefully he's all right, or maybe they moved him to another spot, but here we are. 28. 29. Empty. All right, we're gonna walk around, see if he's here. All right, guys, here's the engine. That's an International Harvester, UD14. That's 461 cubic inches, about 75 horsepower. There's no clutch on the back of it, but I think that's an SAE bell housing, so you could put a clutch on it pretty easy. This engine has a carburetor on the right-hand side. It's a small carburetor. It's really pretty much meant to just idle the engine. And once the engine's warmed up, then you switch it to diesel. It has a decompression lever, switches the engine from, I think it's 15-to-1 compression down to 6.5. This engine was overhauled. They never used it. I pulled the dipstick in it. The oil's brand new, so I believe that they're telling the truth on that. This was out of an Adams road grader. Has a big Adams tag on the front. I imagine this probably weighs around 2,000 pounds. And we got that. And then we picked this planer up too. This is a 20-inch planer, and it's a belt drive unit. So I'll probably take it up to Steam Show, maybe run it with my old farm-all tractor. You know, it's on a skid. I gotta get it in the shop, and I'm gonna clean it up, give it a paint job. But this is what I was really after, were these international engines. They really intrigued me. They started on gas, switched to diesel. When I got my mill, that was what I planned on putting on it, was a UD14. Now, there's an 18 down there I have to go back and get. Actually, there's 2 18s and a 14 left behind. The 14 is just a block, no cylinder head. So it's basically a short block. It's missing the top end, the cylinder head. But the 18 is a complete engine. The parts engine is complete. And the other running 18, it's on a wagon. It has an axle under it. You can tow it. And it has a clutch on it and a pulley. It's ready to go. It was off of a sawmill. So, but I never really saw the 18 before up close. I just had read about them. And that is a big, big engine. That engine, I'm guessing, is in the ballpark of 4,000 pounds. It's 690 some cubic inches. So it's that engine's got some size to it. It's about 125 horsepower. But so anyhow, we're gonna get these off the truck, get them down the shop, and then I guess we'll make a video trying to get this UD14 running. So thanks for watching. Follow along.